What's going on, everybody? The Fan Dude 21 back once again. And today I have for you a Lakewood twin box fan, model T12. This is a 3-speed fan dating from about the late 60s, possibly early 70s. Two 12-inch blades, powered by two GE motors. Of course, of the smaller variety. This is a fan that I have restored. The fan was originally avocado green, probably about a shade lighter than this. But someone decided to repaint it a mint green by brush paint, which looked completely hideous. So I sanded the fan down and spray painted it this gloss army green, close to avocado green I can find. The badge color is what the fan originally was colored. Let me give you a close-up of the badge. Pretty neat. I've always liked that style of badge on fans. Got this fan from a small family-owned thrift store. And I saw the ad on Craigslist about it, and I drove down there one day to pick it up. I had to replace the switch, and as you can see, it's missing the speed decal, which I do have. It's just somewhere misplaced. I just need to find it and need to reattach it. So without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. Not the quietest fan. That sounds as vibrations. I actually had to replace one of the motors in this thing. Nope, I lied to you, that was high. This is medium. And here's low. I don't know why this thing doesn't run right. As you can see, the blade on the left is spinning a lot slower than the blade on the right. And we're going to shut it off here. Yeah, this unfortunately is not one of the fans I daily run because of this running issue. But there you have it. There was the 12-inch twin Lakewood box fan model T12 from the late 60s. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.